Hello viewers, welcome to this video lecture series on analysis and design of algorithms. So this session I shall explain with an example how to construct an AVL tree. So in the question will be in this manner: construct AVL tree for the list by successive insertions. The elements will be mentioned in the question. Here in this example we have 63, 9, 19, 27, 18, 108, 99 and 81. So how do you construct? The solution starts from here. You need to write down in how many steps you are constructing the tree. So in the step 1, you are first taking the first element 63. Yes, only element present in the tree now, no problem. Next you will take the next element in the list 9. With 9 will get included to the left of 63, which is lesser than 63. The next third element 19. So 19 will get included to the right side of 9 as 19 is greater than 9. Now at this point, if you look into the previous two steps also, balance factor for the node 63 is 0. The balance factor for these two nodes, for 9 it is 0, for 63 it is 1. So how to calculate the balance factor for each of the node I have explained in my previous session. Step 3, what you have noticed is the balance factor for 19 is 0, for 9 it is -1, whereas for 63 it is 2. So at this point when you see a balance factor which is 2, because only -1, 0 and +1, these three numbers are accepted for the balance factor. Now you have a value 2, so you need to perform a rotation. Which type of rotation will you select now? So this tree is imbalanced now because of what? Because of left right imbalance. The moment you inserted node 19, it became imbalanced, and the imbalance is left and right. So for that you need to solve by applying the left right rotation. Left right rotation is a two-step rotation. So once you carry out this, 19 will come over here and 9 and 63. So just check the balance factor for all these nodes now. It is 0, 0 and 0, no problem. So you have completed up till node number 19. Now comes node 27. 27 you need to, so 27 will get placed to the left side of 63 as 27 is lesser than 63. Here there is no problem, because if you look into the balance factor, 27 has got 0, for 63 it is 1, for 9 it is -1, and for 19 it is 0. So no problem, you don't have to perform any rotation here. Next you insert the element. The next element is 18. So 18 will take this position because 18 is greater than 9. It will come to the right side of 9. At this stage also you just check the balance factor for all the nodes. This is 0, this is 0, -1, 1 and this is 0. The tree is balanced, no need to perform any rotation. Next comes, after this, the next element to get inserted is 108. So where will you place 108? 108, presently this was the structure. Now 108 will get inserted to the right side of the 63 as it is greater than 63. Check the balance factor for all these. Here you have 0, 0, 0. This is 0 and this one is -1 and this one is 0. Right? Next element is 99. 99 will get inserted at this place. Always remember, you are adding the nodes to the leaf level only. Check whether the tree is balanced. Balance factor is 0 here. For 108, this is 1, 1 minus of 0, 1. For 63, this is 1 and this is 2, 1 minus of 2 equal to -1. And for 27 it is 0. For 18 it is 0. For 9, this side there is nothing. 0 minus of 1 is -1. For node 19, 1 and 2, the height is 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So at this point also no problem, the tree is balanced. Next comes inserting the node 81. So when you place 81 here, check the balance factor. This is 0, this one is 1 minus of 0, this one, 2 minus of 0, it is 2, this one is 0, this one is 0, this 9 is 0 minus of 1 equal to -1, 63 is 1 minus of 1, 2, 3, it is -2, and for 19 1 and 2, 2 minus of 1, 2, 3, 4. This tree is imbalanced. If you see, you got a value -2. Node 63 is having a balance factor -2. Node 108 is having a balance factor of 2. Is earlier node 19, node 63 and node 108. All the three were balanced. The moment you added node 81, the very first node that became imbalanced is 108. So you have to always select, see, rotation you have to perform only on 3 nodes. So which 3 nodes will you select? Actually, if you see in this entire branch, right from 19, 63, 108, 99 and 81, out of all these 5 nodes, these 19, 63 and 108 are not balanced. Upon adding which node became imbalanced? Upon adding 81, 108 became imbalanced. So you have to select these 3 nodes for rotation. And which rotation will you perform? You can check here. It became imbalanced because of left. Because on adding a node to the left side, it became imbalanced. So you need to perform the left rotation on these 3 nodes. So left rotation on these 3 nodes. So left rotation on 3 nodes when you perform. So this 108 will come over here. Okay, 99 will go up and 81 will remain here. So now your tree structure became like this. Calculate the balance factor. 81, 0. 108, 0. Here 99, 1 minus 1, 0. 27, 0. 63, 1 minus of 2, it is -1. See, automatically this 63 node became balanced now. Earlier it was -2 in the previous step. The moment you tried balancing by selecting these 3 nodes, 81, 99, 108, 63 also became balanced. And then let us check for 19 now. 19 you have 2 minus of 1, 2, 3. This also became balanced. 2 minus 3 equal to -1. Node 9, 0 minus of 1 equal to 1. Node 18 is 0. So the final tree, the last step in the step 10, whatever tree you got is a balanced AVL tree. So let me just write the balance factors, how we calculated. I'll write here. This one is 63, this is 1. Here I'll tell you about the 2 steps. One is the left and another is the right. So here in the first step, the left right rotation, in the first step this will be the status 63, 19 and 9. Then when you pull down this 63, 19 will come on the top and 63 here and 9 will remain in this place. So this is the first step and this is the second step. Left right rotation. So either you carry out in 2 steps or directly you can carry out in 1 step only, and the resulting tree will be like this. Hope you find this session helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.